So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Suzanna and welcome back to today's video. So guys, thanks for watching. First of all, thanks for watching. And today's video, I'm not actually doing a sit down video. I'm just going to take you for a living room tour here in Kahawa. So that's what I have for you guys today. Actually, I love the design of this house. So I'm actually not showing it for any other purpose, but I just want to keep it for the future use. Maybe even me myself, I might need to do this decoration. So that's why I want to do the video. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Just subscribe. Okay, so this is the main door, and when you're standing at the main door here, you can see me standing there. So when you're standing at the main door, you see the other door of the kitchen. So first of all, this is the wardrobe where they put the keyboards, the keys, the whatever. So this is first what you can see at the main door when you're entering. Just from that door as the main door to this at this side, that's what you can see, the decorations. So and then there also there is that side wardrobes for the beds, and they're going to put it at the upper stairs. Upper stairs is still under construction, so it's just put there. And then up there the sanitizers. So here is the door to the living room. You can see up there how it is built, like round. It's so beautiful. It's like a door for the kingdom, as in for Kabaka. Okay, so there we go. There we go, the view of the sitting room. That's how you can view when you stand at the main entrance to the sitting room. That's how you can view the living room. So let me show you what is inside the living rooms in Kahawa, inside the houses in Kahawa. So first, when you enter, there's this cat table they are put there. You can see that cat table. It's for reading, if you want to read the stories, you can sit there and read. And also there's that relaxing seat. You can see it's a safari seat. If you're going to the beach or anywhere you're traveling, you can travel with it. It can be folded so you can carry it. So up here we have some decorations. You see the decoration of the bath and that beautiful thing. And then here we have the books. Okay, the reading area, the story books. So that's how it looks. If you want to read the Bibles, if you want to read the storybooks, if you want to read the books about cooking, all they are here. Okay, so here again we have the side wardrobes for the beds, and then let me give you the sides of the seats. These are the seats. One person sit there. You see, that's how it looks. And you know, the beautiful thing in this house is this decoration. You see, decoration of the sitting room. As in, when you want to, if you're that person who loves putting things anywhere in the house, you can just see how they've decorated the house. You can put anything you want as a decoration in your living room. See, it's beautiful. I just love it. You can put anything you want, and then up there, and also their windows, how their windows are, they're so beautiful. And then here we have the seat for two people here. You can see that. So, and then the other thing is this beautiful thing. You can see that it's a heater. I call it heater because when you're feeling cold, you can just use it. Just switch it on a steamer, and then you are good to go. No coldness can come over you. So it's beautiful, right? You can see that it's beautiful. So here we have this car table here. It's a car table, a car table. If you actually, it's broken, but it's fine. And then the other car seat for 2 people. You can see that with that decoration of the bulb. Imagine, I love those decorations. That's why I was like, I have to keep to record this video so that in future I will also want to do that. And then we have these sets, traveling sets. Even you can carry them to the beach. Even if you're going for tourism, you can carry these sets. It can be folded, and then with this beddings are just put for the purpose as in, like, if you're seated at the sitting room and then you're feeling cold, you can just use it to cover yourself. They're warm, okay, they're warm. And then these seats with the beautiful, that's so beautiful. I just love them. Okay, with their windows. Okay, with the windows, the windows, that's so beautiful. Just take a look at that decoration. Okay, it's nice. So, and then in front here we have this car. How can I say? It's the cupboard. Is the reading area? I don't know, but this is big. You can see that, guys. This is big from up there and up to down here. It's very big. Okay, so those are all books. Those are the things for watching. If you have the movies, the CDs for movies, tapes, I don't know whatever you call it, on one side. And then you can see that for, if you want to play games are also there. If you want to read, everything is there. So those are the books. Some of them are for school, for the boy, because the boy is still at school in primary. So, and then down here we have the Wi-Fi thing, and the bulbs, where they put the bulbs, where they put the medicines, where you can stop. There is much storage. Okay, there's just much storage here for the books, for whatever, as you can see that. And then we have the TV here. You can see the TV. You can see how I'm standing. And then the TV is here. The TV is here. It's a big TV. You can see that. So, and then down here is a storage, another storage for the games for the boy, where he keeps his things. So that's how it looks like. So let me give you the view of that from far. That's how it looks like, the view of the sitting room, whatever, storage. So that's how it looks like. Now let me show you the, and then this area, this cassette here, and the piano is for the boy when the boy is on holiday. When the boy is on holiday, so he plays his piano here. So this is a piano and this is a seat. And then here we have that thing of the Wi-Fi and some decorations, as you can see that on that car table. So here we have another relaxing seat here. You can see that seat, wooden seat. It's so nice when you want to relax, just sit here and have some fun with yourself. And here is for putting the umbrellas, that side for putting umbrellas there. So, and here we have this calabash. Is it calabash? Is it calabash? I don't know how you call it in your language, calabash or what, but I think it's called calabash. And these horns here and these horns here, see that how it looks like? It's beautiful. This one is actually for the boy, the blackboard for the boy. When he wants to learn something, he just comes and do his things here. And then here also have this calabash and the pencils and the colors for the boy, and this beautiful bulb, as you can see that. Yeah, this is the window. And then here we have the dining. We have the dining here. You can see that the faucets of the dining. That's the view of the dining. That's the dining where we eat. Yes, where we eat, and so that's how it looks like, the dining. And also that beautiful bulb. See the beautiful bulb here? It's nice. And also here we have some decorations there. Yeah, some decoration. Okay. And also another door is here. Also this the other door, and also this window here. So that is how the sitting room looks like. That is the view of the sitting room when you're at the dining. That's how you see it. It is just wow. It is wow. It is just wow. I love mostly that decoration, guys. So that's how it looks like. Okay, with up there, those bulbs. That's how it looks like. That's the view of it. And also the door, you can see that the other door for the sitting room. It's beautiful. And also that view. So, and also we have this cassette here. Also, as in like when somebody is sick, just needs some treatment, things like that. That's where the person can be treated. And also here we have the masks, whatever. So that is all for today's video, guys. And then if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share the video to your friends. Tell them also to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.